equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will help you safely and effectively replace the battery in your HP 15 as laptop. First, power down your laptop completely and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. You'll notice several screws securing the panel in place. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. If you find it difficult, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. With the back panel removed, you'll see the battery located near the center of the laptop. It's typically secured by a couple of screws. Using your Phillips head screwdriver again, remove these screws and set them aside. Now, gently disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. This may require a bit of wiggling, so be patient and avoid using excessive force. Now that the old battery is free, it's time to install the new one. Align the new battery with the connector and gently press it into place. Make sure it's seated properly before securing it with the screws you previously removed. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. After securing the new battery, reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard. Ensure it's firmly attached to avoid any power issues. Before replacing the back panel, it's a good idea to clean the internal components of your laptop. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. Once you've cleaned the interior, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Then, replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they're tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could damage the panel. Finally, flip your laptop back over and connect it to the power source. Power it on and check if the new battery is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know what to expect before any work is done. This way, you can have peace of mind knowing your laptop is in good hands. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the battery in your HP 15 as laptop. Regular maintenance like this can extend the life of your device significantly, so don't hesitate to reach out for help if needed. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to keep your laptop running smoothly. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.